PSA ko. So, oh. Okay, so I'd like to take this opportunity na i-endorse formally taong biniyaya sa atin. I'm very thankful sa Lord na dumating sa buhay ko, sa buhay namin sa part si Vince Arido. Please welcome him. He will be the new parts manager effective tomorrow. So there will be a memo that top management will issue. Okay, so the parts department will definitely be in good hands. Ipadayon niya yung magagandang nasimulan at marami siyang improvement plan for sure. So, palakpakan natin si Vince. Welcome natin siya, supportan natin. And isa-isayin ko rin, because ito na yung last chance ko na magpasalamat sa parts department. 6 years eh. 6 years. 6 is a magic number para sa akin. 6. I'm retiring at age 60. And I retire after 6 years. And whatever yung nagawa or hindi ko nagawa dito sa MISI, I hope it is a learning for everyone. Salamat kaayo sa inyo. Masaya ako. Masaya akong aalis. When I exit the company, I will bring with me in my heart all the learnings, all the heartaches, all the stress, all the pressure, no? And all the learnings, yung hardship. Mga isang buwan na namin pinag-uusapan ni Vince yung mga gagawin niya. Yung lahat ng kailangan niya i-deliver, i-accomplish, bantayan. Napakahirap bantayan ng mga piyesa, no? 23 million worth na piyesa. So, when I exit this company, I bring with me yung things na form sa akin, yung character. Kasi sa inyo lahat, whatever you learn here in this company, it forms your character. That's the most important thing. And iiwan nyo, ibabaon nyo, especially for the team leaders, supervisors, and heads. You will transfer the skills and knowledge with you and make your people the most important ingredient sa kumpanya. Kaya araw-araw ang biro namin, sandali lang huwag mo muna akong kausapin naglalaba ako. May ginigisa ako para paghandog ko kay Sir Russell, lulutuin na lang niya. So palagi namin biro yan. So mamimiss ko yung barbulagan namin ng parts. So, starting with Redil. Salamat, Redil. Come over here, hahag kita. Kaya palagi niya na lang binibiro, di ba? Every Saturday, kiss, hug. Ito na. Thank you, Redil. I love you. And Cyril. Naka-video ba? Kasi I'll miss you. I love you. Thank you, Michael. I'll miss you. I love you. Aris. Nagbibigyan. I'll miss you. Love you. John Crisel. I'll miss you. I love you. Johnny Johnny! Siya po yung tumulong sa naglipat ng bahay. I'll miss you. I love you. Dabil na ang aming bunsoy, the last one, magpa-regular. I'll miss you. I love you. And to all the heads, Gil, I'll miss you. I love you. Lester, Yenny, walang nakahaba na message ni Yenny. Kaiyak. Nagpaalam si Yenny. Lester, Hazel, Amy, HR, Miss Lailene, Miss Hannah, thank you so much. If meron ako naiwan, ako, palangga, chik-chik, nandito ka pala. To the management, thank you so much for trusting me for 6 years. 6 years is not enough. 6 years is not enough. Diba? Salamat kaayo. Nindot kaayo magtrabaho sa Missy I. Let's give more power to Missy I. Thank you! Thank you so much.